You know that feeling when you check your bank account and it's, well, less than inspiring? Yeah, me too. But what if I told you there's a way to inject a cool $300 straight into that balance, just by doing something you probably needed to do anyway? Sounds like a clickbait headline, right? Stick with me, because this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme or some weird pyramid thing. This is about a real, legitimate offer from a major bank, TD Bank. Now, before you think, oh, another bank promo, let's be real. We all juggle bills, expenses, and those unexpected life moments that drain our wallets. A little extra cash can go a long way, whether it's paying down debt, building an emergency fund, or just treating yourself to something nice. And in today's economy, who doesn't want an extra $300? Here's the deal. TD Bank offers a promotional bonus when you open a new checking account and meet certain requirements. It's not some hidden secret, but it's easy to miss if you're not paying attention. And that's where I come in. I've done the research, sifted through the fine print, and I'm here to break it down for you, step by step. First things first, you'll need to open a qualifying TD Bank checking account. They usually offer several options, but the most common ones for this promotion are the TD Beyond Checking or TD Convenience Checking. The specific account requirements can change, so always double-check the latest details on TD Bank's official website. Now, here's the key: direct deposits. You'll typically need to set up and receive qualifying direct deposits within a specific time frame after opening your account. This usually means recurring electronic deposits, like your paycheck, pension, or Social Security benefits. The exact amount and frequency of these deposits are crucial for triggering the bonus, so pay close attention to the fine print. Once you've met the direct deposit requirements, you'll likely need to maintain a certain minimum balance for a set period. This ensures you're actively using the account and not just opening it for the bonus. Again, the specifics will vary, so read the terms and conditions carefully. Think of it this way: you're essentially getting paid to switch your banking to a reputable institution. If you're already looking for a new bank or dissatisfied with your current one, this is a perfect opportunity to make the switch and pocket some extra cash. Now, let's talk timing. Bank promotions like this don't last forever. They often have limited time offers, so acting quickly is essential. Don't procrastinate and miss out on this opportunity. Before you rush off to open an account, remember to read all the terms and conditions. Understand the specific direct deposit requirements, minimum balance rules, and any potential fees associated with the account. Knowledge is power, and you want to ensure you're making an informed decision. This isn't about getting something for nothing. It's about leveraging a legitimate bank promotion to your advantage. If you're already planning to switch banks, or if you're looking for a better banking experience, this is a smart move. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.